Welcome to We Live It, You Love It. It's been over a month now since we've had to pause normal life. I hope you're all adjusting and keeping busy and keeping healthy. Like many of you, this pause has affected my workload as well. And to be honest, it's been a little tough sometimes, but I'm trying to keep my head up, trying to keep productive, and I think that's helping. For instance, one thing that I've been able to do with my extra time is I've started going through my vast archive of footage of North Simcoe. It's incredible how much footage I've collected over the years, and some of it I've even forgotten about, so it's been pretty neat going through all of that. Anyway, I thought I would take some of my favorite clips that I found and put together a little film just to remind us of the natural beauty that's waiting for us once it's safe to go out and enjoy it again. Consider it a little slice of North Simcoe nature that you can enjoy from the comfort of your couch. Thanks so much for watching. I know I don't have to remind you, but I'm going to anyway. Stay home. The sooner we can beat this thing, the sooner we can get back to enjoying what we have here in North Simcoe once again. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. We're going to be continuing to bring you new videos every Tuesday. We have some really inspiring and enlightening stories lined up that I think you're going to enjoy. I'm pretty excited about them. So make sure that you click the bell that turns on notifications so you know when we're posting new videos. As always, I want to thank the EDCNS for sponsoring this series. Make sure you visit their website, edcns.ca, especially if you have a business and you need some help navigating our ever-changing reality a little bit. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday on We Live It, You'll Love It.